guys, and welcome back to DBC Creation. I am Dimma Aneke. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cut a shift dress. First and foremost, you have to fold your fabric into 4 equal sizes. So I folded my fabric into 4. So to the extreme. So since I have folded my fabric into 4, remember why folding your fabric into 4? Make sure that the largest part of my body circumference is my hip, which is 40 divided by 4 will give me 10. So here I have 12 inches here, so it will be enough for the front and the back panel. So first and foremost, I'm going to draw my neckline, and my neckline is going to have like 2 neck depths. So my neck is going to be 4 by 3 or 4 by 3.5. So remember, 4 by 3.5 is just a freehand method. So no pattern, nothing. So, and I'm going to the back panel of the neck is going to be 1.5. So here is my 1.5. So here this line now becomes my 1.5. So I'm going to use my ruler and then curve out. So this ruler, you can use it to achieve different neck styles. Like if you like, you can place it like this if you want to achieve deep neckline, or you can place it like this, or you can place it like this, depending on what you want. So the front neckline is going to be like this. I don't want it to be very deep and open at the side. So here I'm going to extend my sleeve down here. So, and my shoulder is 7. So here is 7. So the rest becomes my sleeve. So I'm going to minus 1 from, I'm going to measure 9 inches, and I'm going to minus 1. So here becomes my shoulder slope, and here becomes my armhole. So remember that the back armhole will not have a curve. So the back armhole is supposed to be like this. So always remember that the front armhole is more deeper than the back armhole. So the next thing we are going to do, my shoulder to my nipple is 10.5, and my under bust is 14.5, while my waist is 17. So I'm going to make it 17.5, since I'm adding half inches, and from waist to hip is 9 inches. So I'm going to measure 9 inches down here, and here will become my hip. So I'm going to make a straight line all the way, so that I will know which point is my hip and which point is my waist. Yeah. So I'm going to raise this up, and then from my shoulder I'm going to measure 40, including my sewing allowance and folding. So my 40 now is here. My bust is 38. Then 38 divided by 4 will give me 9.5. So I will place my 9.5 here and mark plus my 1.5 inch. Then my waist is 30. Then 30 divided by 4 will give me 7.5. 7.5 here plus 1.5 inch, which is here, and my hip is 10. 40 divided by 4 will give me 10 plus my 2-inch seam allowance. So guys, from here now I'm going to curve. I'm going to curve out. So just like that, and from here I'm going to minus 1 inch. Going to minus 1 inch. So that is all, guys. That is how you can cut your shift dress. So if you like, you can add allowance, because I don't want here to be sharp, so I'm going to draw like a curved line to meet my hip. So you can as well use your ruler to curve it all out and make sure that everything is intact and is in place. So that's it, guys. It's the same thing when using a free hand. So first and foremost, I'm going to cut from the back. Why is because of the neck. So after cutting the back, I can be able to cut the front neckline. So I'm going to shift my dress like this and then start cutting. So remember that so this now becomes my shift dress. As you can see, there is no point lines, the shapes are intact and everything is okay. Everything is okay, and all the cuttings are neat. So I'm going to remove the middle part, which now becomes our back panel, then continue with the front panel. So from this I'm going to cut out the neckline I drafted earlier. So that is it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please drop your comments in the comment box below. Let me know what you guys think about how to cut a shift dress. So see you guys.